Hello everyone, welcome to Online Help Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add details about yourself on hi5. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, open hi5 application. Now click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Now go to your profile. And here you can see the details option with 4 other options. Here you'll simply have to tap on the options and a pop-up menu will appear. For example, if I tap on orientation option, you can select your orientation according to your preference and tap on update option. You can do the same with religion and languages options as well. So that is how you can add details about yourself on hi5 application. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.